That boy Tristan doing what he usually do. Getting bait. Getting bait. See what we going on. Shit, I almost tripped and fell. Hey, baby, you need to go potty, don't you? You be tired of working on this shit with us, huh? Yeah, I know. Man, doing the strut. Where's the old one? Fuck. Right here. Busted. Try to put this one in. Got this one out. Where's the bolt at? Barely got it out. Like shit, that's stripped. Got the new one somewhere here. I don't fucking know. But yeah, gotta do this on that side. Same on this side. You see, I can. Like shit. Blew the struts out. Trying to swing this bitch. You know, actions have consequences. Life's a journey. But yeah, we gonna get this shit done. Let's go.
Pry up, pry down. Oh, you gotta get the top. You gotta get this on the top and pry down.
Pry down?
Yeah.
Push down?
Yeah, you gotta push down.
And then tighten it?
Yeah.
Something like that. Struts in. Everything looking good. Yes, sir. Bolts. Man, got this one out. This one was easier. It's always easier when you do it the first time. This one, the bump stop cracked. You see it's shot inside, broke here. Here's the other half. But yeah, we're finna put in the new one. This shot too. There's grease everywhere. But otherwise, boots ripped over there too. We're just gonna throw the new one in. Where's the new one? Right here. Who we with today, man? I don't know what the fuck we got going on here, but the new struts in.
Hey, if this shit works, they ain't done. I'm telling you. Tighten? Oh, yeah, it ain't done. Listen, it ain't dumb if it fucking works.
Pull harder. I think it's this one. Pull harder. There we go. There we go.
Yo, peep this shit. Fucking.
Yeah, let me see.
Tighten the ball joint.
Man, let me flip the camera. He used this. Hold on. 2x4 to pry down so we can tighten the castle nut. We're in there. All struts are in. Both sides. Let me show you. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie, it looked good when it was low. It looked good when it was low, but LS 400s or Lexuses in general is about comfortability, and you want to be comfortable. And when the struts are in this bitch, you can't feel nothing. You don't feel no bumps. Just It just floats. Floats. I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done with this.
Got that shit done.
Come on, bro. Look. Hold on. Hold on, yo. Oh shit! It's looking at the roof and shit. What the fuck is going on? There we go. Look at that. Look at that. It's even with the back.